Imagine coming home after a long day. You unlock the door, step inside, and instead of feeling another list of chores waiting for you, you feel something different. Calm. Not because your house is bigger, not because someone cleaned it while you were away, but because your home quietly prevents many of the little frustrations that fill an ordinary day. In Japan, homes aren't designed just to look beautiful. They're designed to remove problems before those problems ever appear. Tiny details, smarter layouts, clever storage, simple systems that save time, reduce clutter, and make daily life surprisingly effortless. Today, we'll explore 21 brilliant Japanese home ideas that can transform almost any house without expensive renovations. Some cost almost nothing. Others may completely change the way you think about organizing your home. And the last few ideas are the ones most people wish they had discovered years ago. Habit 1. Create a landing zone at your front door. Every day, the outside world follows us home. Dust, dirt, rainwater, loose change, keys, mail, shoes. Most homes don't have a dedicated place for these things, so they slowly spread throughout the house, creating clutter before you even notice it. Japanese homes take a different approach. Instead of dealing with the mess later, they stop it at the entrance. Many Japanese homes have a small area near the front door designed specifically for items you bring home every day. Shoes come off immediately, bags have a designated spot, keys go into the same tray, and mail never reaches the kitchen counter. It sounds almost too simple, but removing just a few daily decisions makes keeping a home organized much easier. Behavioral researchers often explain that habits become automatic when everything has a fixed location. You don't have to remember where your keys are because they always go to the same place. The result isn't just a cleaner home, it's fewer stressful mornings spent searching for your wallet, your car keys, or your glasses. Even if your home doesn't have a traditional Japanese entryway, you can create the same effect with a small bench, a shoe rack, a basket for bags, and a tray for everyday essentials. When everything has a home, clutter has nowhere to grow. And that's exactly how many Japanese homes stay organized without feeling like they're constantly being cleaned. 2. The 1-minute reset rule. Have you ever noticed how quickly a room can become messy? A coffee cup left on the table, a jacket draped over a chair, mail placed on the counter, just for now. One small item doesn't seem like a problem, but by the end of the week, dozens of tiny decisions have turned into visible clutter. Many Japanese households avoid this with a surprisingly simple habit. If something takes about 1 minute or less to put away, they do it immediately. Shoes are returned to the rack. The cup goes straight into the dishwasher. The blanket is folded before leaving the room. Nothing is left for later. It may not sound like much, but these tiny actions prevent clutter from building up in the first place. Psychologists call this reducing decision debt. Every object left out becomes another small task waiting for your attention. By taking care of it immediately, your brain has one less thing to remember. Over time, this simple habit creates a home that feels consistently tidy without requiring long cleaning sessions. The secret isn't cleaning more, it's never allowing small messes to grow into big ones. 3. Store things. Vertically, not horizontally. One reason Japanese homes feel more organized is that they make better use of vertical space. Instead of stacking items on countertops or floors, they use walls, shelves, hooks, and narrow storage units. Everything stays visible and easy to reach without taking up valuable floor space. Before buying more storage, look up. You may discover space you never realized you had. 4. Give every item a permanent home. Have you ever spent 5 minutes looking for your keys, scissors, or phone charger? In many Japanese homes, this rarely happens because every item has a permanent place. After using something, it goes right back where it belongs. There's no guessing and no searching later. When everything has a home, staying organized becomes almost automatic. 5. Keep countertops almost empty. Walk into many Japanese kitchens and you'll notice something surprising. The countertops are mostly clear. Only the items used every day stay out. Everything else is stored away. Clear surfaces don't just look cleaner, they're also much easier to wipe down, making daily cleaning faster and simpler. 6. Use multi-purpose furniture. Space is often limited in Japan, so furniture is expected to do more than one job. A bench may hide storage inside. A table may fold away when it's not needed. A bed may include drawers underneath. Choosing furniture that serves multiple purposes helps reduce clutter without making a room feel crowded. 7. Follow the one in, one out rule. Many Japanese families avoid clutter with one simple rule. Whenever something new comes into the home, something old leaves. A new sweater replaces an old one. A new kitchen gadget replaces one that's no longer used. This small habit prevents possessions from quietly piling up over time. It keeps your home balanced without requiring a major decluttering session. 8. Separate wet and dry areas. Japanese bathrooms are designed differently. Instead of combining everything into one space, the shower area is separated from the sink and toilet. This keeps the rest of the bathroom dry, reduces mold, and makes cleaning much easier. A simple shower curtain or glass partition can create a similar effect in almost any home. 9. Make cleaning part of daily life. Instead of waiting for one big cleaning day, many Japanese families clean a little every day, wiping the sink after brushing your teeth, cleaning the stove after cooking, straightening the living room before bed. These small tasks take only a few minutes but prevent hours of cleaning later. 10. Choose quality over quantity. Minimalism in Japan isn't about owning nothing. It's about keeping only what you actually use and appreciate. Fewer possessions mean fewer things to organize, dust, repair, and replace. A carefully chosen home often feels calmer than one filled with unnecessary items. 11. Hide everyday clutter. Remote controls, charging cables, paperwork, and small accessories can quickly make a room feel messy. Japanese homes often use baskets, drawers, and storage boxes to keep these items out of sight, but still easy to reach. When visual clutter disappears, the entire room feels more peaceful. 12. Open windows. Every day. Fresh air is an important part of many Japanese homes. Even a few minutes of ventilation each morning helps reduce moisture, remove odors, and improve indoor air quality. It costs nothing, yet it can make your home feel noticeably fresher. 13. End each day with a 5-minute reset. Before going to bed, take just 5 minutes to restore your home. Fold the blanket, put away dishes, return items to their proper places. When you wake up to a tidy home, your day begins with less stress and fewer distractions. 14. Design your home to make life easier. The biggest lesson from Japanese homes isn't about buying new furniture or spending more money. It's about creating a home that quietly works for you instead of creating more work. Every small improvement saves a little time, reduces a little stress, and makes daily life just a bit easier. And over the years, those small improvements add up to a home that feels calmer, cleaner, and far more enjoyable to live in. 15. Keep frequently used items. Within reach. Japanese homes are carefully arranged around daily routines. The items you use every day are always close by. Things used less often are stored higher or farther away. This simple system saves time, reduces frustration, and makes everyday tasks feel effortless. 16. Let natural light do the work. Many Japanese homes are designed to bring in as much daylight as possible. Natural light makes rooms feel larger, brighter, and more welcoming. It also reduces the need for artificial lighting during the day, creating a calmer atmosphere throughout the home. 17. Use sliding doors instead of swinging doors. Traditional Japanese sliding doors don't require extra floor space to open. That means furniture can be placed more efficiently and rooms feel surprisingly spacious. Even modern barn doors or sliding closet doors can create the same space-saving effect. 18. Make every room flexible. In many Japanese homes, one room can serve several purposes. A living room becomes a guest room. A dining space becomes a workspace. Furniture is lightweight and easy to move, allowing the home to adapt instead of staying fixed. 19. Buy less. Choose better. Rather than filling a home with inexpensive items that wear out quickly, many Japanese families prefer fewer, well-made belongings. A durable kitchen knife, a sturdy wooden table, Quality often lasts longer, creates less waste, and brings more satisfaction over time. 20. Respect empty space. One of the most noticeable features of Japanese homes is that they aren't filled to every corner. Empty space isn't considered wasted. It allows a room to breathe, reduces visual stress, and helps each object stand out instead of competing for attention. Sometimes what you don't add is just as important as what you do. 21. Design for everyday life, not perfection. Perhaps the greatest lesson from Japanese homes is this: a home doesn't need to be perfect. It simply needs to make everyday life easier. Every shelf, every drawer, and every routine has a purpose. The goal isn't to impress visitors. It's to create a space that supports you, reduces stress, and quietly makes each day a little smoother. And when your home works with you instead of against you, staying organized no longer feels like a chore. It simply becomes part of everyday life. If even one of these Japanese home ideas inspired you, don't keep it to yourself. Share this video with someone who loves smart, simple ways to make everyday life easier. And if you're new here, be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss our weekly videos on Japanese wisdom, healthy living, and practical habits that can help you live better every day. Now we'd love to hear from you. Which of these Japanese ideas would you try first in your own home? Tell us in the comments below. We read every one of them. Thanks so much for watching. Take care, and we'll see you in the next video.